In a sunlit living room, Nova the cat freezes mid-sprint as a mysterious box doorbell chimes, eyes wide and whiskers twitching. Milo the dog charges a squeaky toy, then freezes at a balloon pop, ears back, confusion melting into triumphant wag. A playful kitten chases a red laser, slips on a rug, and slides across the floor like a tiny, fearless champion. The pug discovers a squeaky cake, emits a squeal of joy, and chaos erupts as friends join the hilarious chaos. Quick cuts, roaring laughs, and a final invite to subscribe to the Pawsome community.